Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll cover this lab, that is test network latency between virtual machines. So simply click on Start Lab and right click over here and open the link incognito window. Now from here, just click on it to activate the Cloud Shell and simply click on Continue and then just authorize yourself. Now in the description box of this video, I've shared this repository. Simply select it, paste over here, hit enter. Now wait for it to get executed. Now here we have to enter the zone 2. So let's come over here, just find Control F, zone, like this. Okay, so this is the first zone. We have to just enter the second zone. Okay, so come over here. You can see this is. So what we need to do, so just come above and here you can see the second zone. Okay, this one, number 2. Just copy it from here, paste it, hit enter, and then enter the third zone. Like this you have to do. Now hit enter. Now wait for some time. So finally all tasks have been completed. It will take few minutes. You can just do and just wait for the task to get completed and check the score. And if you want this hello check my progress bar, you can check the video description how to enable check my progress bar. So just check the score again. So finally it is done.